Hey guys, welcome back to the Woodman Workshop. I'm Kent. You can go back and check out previous video. I think it's out. I'm making these brass adapters for the transmission cooler for Project Deer Slayer. So now we got to get this mounted in the truck. Here's the original mounting bracket. We're gonna use these holes and put a little spacer. I kind of laid it out ahead of time, saw exactly how it's going to fit in there. The first thing I got to do is take these little clips off so we can reuse them. So there's just a little tab in here that you pry up a little bit and it frees it from the hole. Pretty common in modern vehicles. So now we need a piece of aluminum. This is all aluminum, by the way. Everything on this is mounting to, and the cooler itself. So since it starts as aluminum, I'm going to keep going with aluminum. Don't have any aluminum stock, the right size in the shop, but I do have this old aluminum ruler. So just need to make a piece with just a hair longer than this existing one. So we'll actually just cut it off at 7 inches here and start with that. So I'm going to hop over here and cut it and be right back. So there's a piece. We just have to drill a couple of holes that size right through the edge of this. So I'm going to line it up with the edge of the tabs here. And go ahead and mark this. So we need a couple of holes in it. Grab a drill and get it drilled out. One more step. Okay, so that'll allow us to slide these back on. And that'll get us back mounted to the truck. Now we need to mark and drill here. There we go. That end's ready to mount back onto the truck. Well, technically it goes like this. Grab a couple of bolts here and we'll get this bolted together and go test fit it on the truck. Okay, so this slides in here just like this. Pretty much in the original position. Gonna take some vice grips, clamp that in place. Okay, we can mark and drill our holes here. I think we're going to, we'll use these outside ones here. This center one's catching part of this hole here. So let me go ahead and mark and drill those and be right back. So to fasten this in, I like the idea of the clips, but I don't have any clips. But I do have nut certs. These are aluminum ones. So this is a 1/4 20. So let's go ahead and measure this. 0.369. What do we got that's close to 0.369? So we know which step we have to go to. Let's go ahead and drill this out. Helps you put it on the right way. Make sure that I'm putting it on the right way. There we go. Got a nice threaded hole in this thin stuff. Plenty of strength to hold this. I don't have them fully tightened up. There's a little bit of wiggle room there just to make bolting it in easier. Same with these. Actually, these ones I'm going to tighten. No, not yet. I want that wiggle room. So, let's go put it on the truck. Alright, let's see if it fits in here the way it's supposed to. This bracket is a little stretched because of the accident. So does not quite fit as well as it once did. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to pull this back apart, clean up this bracket a little bit, round the edges, smooth it a little bit, paint it flat black to match everything else. And then we'll go ahead and get it in and get the hoses connected up. Looks like we've got to make a new bracket to hold the lines in place. And maybe bend them a little bit. But we'll get to that. Alright guys, we got bracket all painted. Hopefully this is the last time it's going in. Okay, now we just got to get these connected up. Easier said than done sometimes. Made up this little clamp bracket. Just got to figure out where exactly it's going to fit here. Probably gonna have to cut these back a little bit further. Had to take it out one more time in order to drill this hole. Let me get the nut insert in there. Oh, it's Tim. I was going. All of a sudden I saw a dog. Okay, nutsert is in. Drop our bolt in. So, if you want to see how I made this tube holder, put it down in the comments, and probably do something about that if somebody wants to see it. But for the moment, that'll hold it nice and sturdy. I don't know how many times I can drop it. We'll see. I just got to figure out how I'm going to hold this one. Alright, let me think about that, guys, and we'll be right back.